So in this video, ituturo ko sa inyo about sa user account management and file management system. So step 1, go to settings, then accounts, then click family and other users, then add someone else on this PC. Next, click I don't have this person or sign in information. Click the add a user without a Microsoft account. So, username, then enter password, and re-enter password. Then other questions. Then yun, meron ka ng user account. So ilalagay mo ito as standard user. Next step is need natin mag-create ng folder and maglagay ng Word sa loob ng folder. Next step is right click the folder, then properties, then security, then click edit, and need mong isulat yung name ng user account na ginawa mo, then okay. Then click the use and okay ulit. Okay, yun. Let's go to administrator and sign in. Then create the, I click the folder, right click, then properties. Next is general, then advanced, then click the encrypt contents to secure data, then click OK and apply. Okay, click OK and OK again. That's it. Then go back to user account. Yung ginawa natin na standard user. Then hanapin yung folder na generate. This folder. Then click. So yun, access to file was denied. So next step is log in the administrator. Then click the folder, then properties. Then click the security. And pindutin yung user account na ginawa mo. Then check edit. So click again the user account. And okay. Click again the okay. Next step, log in the standard user. Then hanapin yung folder na kinreate, the test folder, and click the PDF file. So yun, access to file was denied. So try to delete the PDF file. So yun, na-delete na siya. Step is, need nating i-delete yung account. So first, click the standard user, then click sign out. Then next is, punta ulit tayo sa settings and click accounts. And family and other users, click the standard user and remove. Then delete and account the data. So hintayin lang natin siya. So ayun, nabura na siya. So ayun, wala na.